What's up guys, this is a CMF Watch Pro and it is made by CMF brand, which is actually a brand under Nothing, the Nothing brand that makes Nothing phones. And right now, as of making of this video, it is listed for just $63 on Amazon. So globally on Amazon you can buy it just for $63. So let's check it out. Let's see if it is a good enough buy. I mean, $63 is not much to us. So, and Nothing brand has a good reputation as per their phones go, and this is their brand, like sub brand, budget sub brands, CMF. So let's check it out. It comes in this very compact packaging, and let's open it up. So we have the dial, the what's this called, band, and let's try with this one. Have some charger and documentation. So we have the charger and documentation here. Let's bring out the charger. This is the charger, the Pogo charger, and some documentation. Then we have the bands here. Okay, what else do we have? The main thing, dial. All right, that's it. That's pretty much the packaging unboxing. So not much to be talked about when it comes to the unboxing. Let me show you how to charge it, and then we will put this cable aside. Okay, this is not the right side. Well, there you go. You take it, you bring it closer, it has magnets, so to start charging itself. Then we have the bands. Now let me try to put on the bands which direction will go up and which one will go down. Alright, this is my Samsung watch, so this side will go up like this. Let's try that. Let's assemble it. One to go, one to go, one to go. Okay, we have assembled it, and this is our watch. Let me show you its size. It is actually 1.69-inch AMOLED display, and it has a 600 nits of brightness. So let me try to just not this one, yeah. So you can see the edges, so they are balanced equally on all sides, but you can see that it is not really edge to edge, so they are bezels all around. But overall, what looks nicer is that it is round and it is balanced, like the chin is not more than the forehead. Okay, and let's go back. This let's talk about the design. This is the aluminum shell in which it is enclosed, and let's see, it has, I think, 50 how much it has, I think, around 55 or 56 hertz of refresh rate. So 58 actually, yeah, 58 hertz of refresh rate, giving it a smoother feeling when you're using it. So let me try to use it. This is notification area, and sorry, this is the settings area. From the below will come notifications. On the right you can see your activities and other things. Okay, and if you press this button, the applications will come up. And in terms of its applications, it has like in terms of not its applications, like sensors, it has heart rate sensor, sleep monitor, stress monitor, blood oxygen saturation monitor, and it has 110 different sports for you to pick from, if you are able to track them. And it has a built-in GPS, so the GPS data is tracked on the app once you have connected it with that. It also has on let me wear it. It has always on display, as well as raise to wake up, like raise wrist to wake up. Let me try to show you. I would say the band is not that good quality. and compared to my Samsung watch, but obviously that Samsung watch is expensive, so maybe it's a given. So once you have it right here, bring it up and it turns itself on. And I think I have turned on the always on display, so let's see if it goes to always on display. See, this is the always on display. Not sure if you can pinpoint it, but it is there. So it's not much, to be honest, but you can still tell the time. So as soon as there is a movement, it automatically lights up. So there you have the race to wake up and always on display. What else do we have? It has Bluetooth calling, of course, and with AI noise reduction to improve the quality of the mic, that is there. And let me actually show you the app experience as well. It is IP68 waterproof. I have already installed the CMF Watch app. So let's try the CMF Watch app. All right, so we have the watch here. We have all, it is already telling me that there is newer version, so you use the app to upgrade this watch as well. And this is the GPS data. Confirm. Okay, and then this is if you want to send SMS. I think there are notification settings as well, like these notifications. If you want, uh, you can get other apps notifications inside the watch as well. So I can, for example, trigger or just SMS, WhatsApp, Snapchat, all these apps, whether I want to receive those notifications on my watch or not. Okay, and on this side we have daily goals, check for updates, background running permission, and things like that. On the main screen, you can see the exercise data, stress, blood oxygen. Since I haven't taken any reading, so it's giving that. Let me actually take some reading for you to see. It has IP68 water resistance, and it has 340 milliamps hour battery, and they claim that it can last you up to 13 days of typical usage. Not sure whose person's typical usage, but that's what they are saying. Okay, let's go the heart rate. Okay, there is my heart rate. Then what? Then we have the blood oxygen. Let's measure it. Okay, that's good. It should be above 98%, which is good. So mine is good. It is 98%. You have the activity, then we have sleep and stress monitoring. Let's see, measuring. Medium. So I do have some stress, it looks like. All right, let's go back. Then we have the phone call. I can make phone calls like keypad. Let's go to keypad. Let me bring out the phone and let's give it some. Oh, let's give it something to stand so that you guys can see it as well. And let's see, 111. Let's call 111. Please connect Bluetooth on your phone. Isn't it connected? CMF Watch. It is connected. Maybe I have to connect Bluetooth specifically. All right, let's go to Bluetooth and connect it. So it looks like you have to connect Bluetooth manually. Watch Pro. All right. Now let's see. if it is able to make calls. And where is the keypad? Phone call. So we have 11101. Okay, and let's go. And as you can see, it has started making calls. And it has a speaker as well, so you can listen to calls or answer calls. Okay, what else can I show you? Let me go back. I need to phone call. What else do we have? We have the music control here, like music control. So if something is playing here on, I can control. Then you have the camera remote, so you can use it as a shutter for your camera. You can check the weather here. See? And what else? Then we have the breathing exercise, voice assistant, stopwatch, timers, alarms, calculator, flashlight, find my phone, and settings. Okay, you can trigger find my phone to find your phone. And coming on this side, now you can see that there is a data here. Okay, since I did some calculations, let me take off the watch and let's go back to normal. Let's try changing some watch faces. Overall, the app, I would say, looks really good. Usually in this price range, when I use when I use watches and their apps are not really good. So let's go to we have contacts, health monitor, all these settings are here. It is also update device. And let's go to watch faces. I want to show you the watch face interface, like changing them. Let's try this one. So this is, as you can see, changing it was quite smooth, and you can see that it has changed itself. So this is watch face change. We have the navigation and like GPS data here. All the summaries are here. Then you have the settings there. All right, what else is here? Nothing else. So I guess this pretty much it. I mean, nothing else. Overall, it looks and feels smooth. There it has Wear OS, that's good, and its app is good. Connection, it has all the basic functions that you expect from an app. And yeah, I mean, I don't have anything to complain. In this price range, I think it's a good watch. And so if you're looking for a budget watch, then definitely give it a try. Let me know what you think of it. Take care. Bye.